Hey guys, Hanukkah the neighbor here, and yeah, I know, another real life video. Yep. So, can you guess what we're gonna do? Oh yeah, I met the person who moved all the rocks. Thank you. I didn't catch your name, but thank you anyway. You helped. But yep. You see the BB container. You see the sign. Guess what's in my hand? It's a shotgun! No, it's a rifle, actually, but my BB gun. Yep. So, let's see if I can't hit here. I am barely aiming. Did I just hit that? Hold on. There we go. Well, guys. Yeah, my backlog of videos hasn't really changed much. Okay, it has, but it hasn't. So, yeah, just came out here, shoot the BB gun a little. Most of them I'm probably not going to film. Cleaned up the creek just a little bit. Oh. Messenger thing just popped up. But, there actually was ice all throughout here. And, this thing, the culvert, actually had like an ice tongue sticking out, and that looked awesome. I do have a picture. I'm not posting it to YouTube. Sorry. But, yeah, it's just a short video. Probably not going to be on shorts. Wah. Just a short video of me shooting the BB gun, shooting the BBs. And, yep. How did I get that? Anyway, guys. Till next time. Peace out.